You got to make sure that they get something out of it, a por lo menos. Because if they can't have a romantic death, if they can't jump a cloud and land these 30-second introductions, how do you expect them to make 200 calls a day? So just do not put them out there like that. You should have been in their shoes to see what it's like to make these calls and sit in these cubicles. And so I know what to say and I know when to say it. But guess what? There's already been 10 preventative measures before even getting to that point. Preparation. And so I respect what you have done and the level of what you have learned and the men and women that surrounded you, the best in the world. So of course it elevates you. You're around winners. And so I am trying to at least get the best of someone. If I can put 1 or 2 more points in them to get them from a 7 to a 9 or even a 6 to an 8. Come on, I'm still a good teacher. I can't do everything.
Right.
And, but that's what we do, my man. And I just do it through speech and composure, balance and structure. That's what we do.